eti ye trans say ya na enhyehyɛ ni nyinara eguso. Mahama Cares launched. President Mahama pledges 6 months salary to the Ghana Medical Trust Fund. Osi entianika nemum ordinary 6 months salary ekwa chef fund nim. Forgive us our lapses. We will do better next time. Na edika no yenti Omanhene John Mama bra no okase. Ode ne bosumi sia ketua ebema na omode aboa trust fund no. Yenti Omanhene.
On that note, I also, as the initiator of this laudable program, would also have to give something. And so I've pledged half a year, 6 months of my salary to Mahama Cares. I'm not yet being paid. They say Accountant General is still doing something. But whenever Accountant General finishes, 6 months of whatever I'm entitled to will go into Mahama Cares.
Okay. Auntie, Omanhene John Mama no. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ene thank you to team no Edru Kumasi. No mudru ye no na ewo se womo eye stop ewo Boakye Samson Abantoma na ninkasa ye mu eno se mo fa nche yen enema bebre ho no ma yanye ni ye. We will do better next time. Yenti oba the former vice president.
Entina said a vote ne ba na ye nyina ye hwe de ntia nipa bebre ankoto. Entina ye share Professor Oakye National Elections Review Committee no. Omo wie omo ijuma no. General Secretary a boss will call into the details summary the entire nipa am voting no. The entire usheni nyina nipa bufu ye. Sema ye mfomso wo ho. Ye ejuma mom but ye mfomso so bebre so ewo ho. Ema nipa ebufu ye. Omo se omo nkonto abano. Men kani nyina biom because General Secretary akani nyina. But misumi pese mejina maimin naimo party naimo gabain su naimo me say ampa ye from so mum fan cheying ye from so nyame ya adom ena ya samba kwan ya fa so a from so on bae the best fa kwan foforo na ya siesie niema bibiri ama mu nyina.
Okay. It was a monfancha yen. Na ade ba ko asabe todwa ani bantuma ho ena ekoba se etuo gunshots na gunshot ne de yewe mu kire se na eye warning shot macho man bi fatuo ena ototo ye na de ne ma ototuo no enyante se Quantifo eba eye bia ye frɛ no sɛ bantuma na ɔmo ba na kɛseɛ nipa bɛ aduonum ekuta ayi akasanom na eyi ɔmo brumu jama mora na ɔmo atwɛ ni mu ken for 2020 say 28 okay eti dede no kɔ so wie ye bibia wie ye ɔmo pie ye no ena yese Maxi the car dealer ono yobi a woyi nanim se one owura Kennedy anabeko oyi 2000 Ghana so de ma kontifo no na machofo bi so agira nkyɛn machofo no obi antimi nka se ɔmo bɛbɔ kan achi dom anaso ɔmo ne ba ɔmo ya nenam ne yete ye ne se ɔmo se adentina kontifo no yama ɔmo 2000 ɛna ɔmo ko ship sika ne free ɔmo nsam kontifo so ɔmo nyemre eti penche na abrantie na owo allegedly owo abrantie we sikan no opeja tuo ma warning shot be enson just to disperse contifo no and no man ready so ombeko and ono this speed to say almost so ti o chesi pani no de boa conti leader no say oteto gatem into oteto gatem the next person was this. And then they see what provoked this young man? It will be tisikan be wa branti yem. Amo ma rational kokomfo anochi. I know a doctor for kuku dam jirano so. What we have we've heard this morning is he's out of danger. Name it was a party no because a yako we say thank you Tono. Send almost easy say no. Achia. I was so much no. And yes, sir, we thank you Tono. See, I was a kind of survival. Ebekum nipa.
Thank you.
Because I know ya then. Following the alleged stabbing of one of his supporters, we are told Canada Japan has withdrawn from the MPP's thank you tour. We will find out this morning. Say no cry. And now I'm at Pennyfonia Bresson Person Munya Fre Tim Nina no more trans no more meeting. No more to put two things in its right perspective. Minority urges government action following US travel advisory on Ghana. And also Deputy Ranking Member Foreign Affairs, Yanbeto Chenkomo, Yakoba. Some national security operatives attempted to abscond with seized Galamsey excavators in the Ashanti Regional Forestry Commission yard. And I'm emotional. And right, Mampurisi Kusasi Fosoba Asante Mera almost so bad mention. And there were tight security because Asante Mera and then another Trankunyambi no Ajatum say Boko, they will mediate the conflict. These are many more coming up. Asante Mamisha say free ho. Now yen share near a course on Rano. Near what here? Any your suggestions, any what you think the party going forward should do. Mami you.
Oh my medasi. Edi kaino asemino afei na ebuboba. As a report by saying as when you abutra, ma when you ba hoso no. Ube kan sempi a ebia la show no and I say when the truth finally settles no ubetimi anwo so ba ayem funso pi. Nti at it stands now, revelations will keep coming. Ami hu asemo no kre. One we ya pa na ha se kwase bia we nu ya o man. Ube yem funso kese because e dey na be kan obi say okotwe sebi or tutu or fire warning shot. And one this person crowd enough.
The country people were rushing him for
and then
the money. So in order to ward them, no,
and then in capacity as what party new way no who say ye ko pe bia di akire ye ko twitwitio ni ade ade. On my this first of all I say we made magazine some elements of criminality because won't mean fa
a criminal not even.
They say as it stands now they mean to me so emphatic. And you know police force should take over. Now party need more police for an investigation because on my way going to any other region it will deter people to go and show their solidarity to the party. Say baby I may come be a sebi a bit more say can say but to you no media haminko. On my media and operate them person make and say what does the party constitution say with regards to thank you to. Martin said a former chief of staff Dr. Mr. Kojompi Abeka say Ebeya omon hoto because as the purpose of it and I say it is not
it's been defeated
as and on my or none no kind bia ene nya adwen and the SCC was that the purpose ya man party na kwa a campaign and I say elections na di ntwu and a party ni person who kwan fast wa party di ntwu and fortunately for the party on my medical city committee on my investigations has had a party lost. Meboa I will be and as a party penifo no ya omunim this omunim dia you must say won say thank you Tono yes I go kasa answer na actual man for say when na may lose ya na assessing
Azante my entie eyewitness account ba ku no yentie
yenyantie say omobe thank you to our Ashanti region that's Bantima Pentecost Church. Yes, I know you call on Crassi, Quakushan, Tia could look on William by ye train or buy an ye bought Jen so I need you right inside by right inside no when you be see when you say I said na they were not allowing us as na omo pam those are some guys be pam say omo mayen room ne those and see so na you move back to gallery one na you kwatena tanti you back gallery one na some macho man be oba one ma tuition wa we yitu ni say tema one of our guys on campus na senior man na tuo no we yi no ase na okata so no no to try and from there no your boy Murai bibia wi and ye PA na ye ne Kennedy PM na me guys back obi man iska so obi iska ne man no na Toyota Hiace BC one ma goro guys no mujina sa side on so mujina sa side on na almost snatch iska ne free boy ni say so of course akwaji no mu yi tu kire no na be he mu on na your boys ne cast omontwi because e music na dia mom ti o so omoje die ye omode ndi mpo so omaji ska no kwa na ka omomfa bi no omomfa de aka ne mom ti ba na mbekene na me no omo kasa ti me no omo kasa no so okay omati ba ska omode buy 200 cedis 100 cedis mi na me ka say nipa bebrebe we de 200 cedis e enso omo nti de munima ska no more than 500 cedis nti mumfa half na mumfa half mai so na nti mo na ba ko twi tu na o chance say Oma one shot or 8 times. That's what I heard. 8 times. By a sample of bullet, no 3 penny. You had to police station a case. And no my letter form say family hospital or 220 and almost be one of our guys. Into hey, I no company or no car back at me say, ya 1 second. See, I 1 second, na boys need to mention a catch say, Omon check car, name furnishing so much a train or the car for some trust hospital. And I'm the manage fast. Someone the fast no say emergency or say the transfer no back of anochi. So I'm the back of financial me call police or call police case. Now me dey sample natural man on man form na me dey back of financial say doctor answer. This in the aboy who the as ama ya shocked because me no more try say me come from best stable me so tina me media me twane because my life will be at stake during that side. So
okay, mami kwa ma no so na me ne bawa. And you train komo. Bawa Bedu, good morning. Hello, Bawa.
Omanhene.
To say.
Oba dia do me ho ye na mpa cho so apombo ko de.
Me ho ye papa na enro abantoma de asie na wo ho entima an account of it na yenti ni ye because eba say ya obi e Canada.
Okay, Omanhene ma me na was na minti atiefo a wotie Sompa na no pay. Enro asene wadi kan atete ho sem no a na MPP amanyukuo a ewo Ghana afana baabi omo ye omanyen se ombepa eye aseda eye to sentiment na omo do mani kire mu wa santemantemu na enro mano any Pentecost eye asodan ewo bantama eho na omo beduru ye na ebre omo baaye no na KNU asuafo bi a omuta eye onabo Kennedy Japan wachi omo agense ne omo dija ebeba no omo dia abeje omo dia ba bidi omo to no achi omo bai na eze omo dija manu an kakra ebra omo bedu eye bantama Pentecost asodan ho na ebra omo ne eye timfuo na afi patch ni sia ya omo di nkomo wie no omo yenu abema maxi de cardla yes and you betu botom na wa pebi kakra de ama eye asuafo ya na mpo se party supporters a omo eshi jamanu nti odani sika kakra edema omo nti kwa na yehunu se macho man bi a wagina ka bi nchen wa ben omo se oba bejiska no nti eba na sa no na omo shi jaman yes o na se sika mpo de ni omo de ma ye omo ankase bi ye ne macho man ni ade na ncheska because jaman ye hye no ehu sika na
omo de amaye
kuma omo dan ya amaye nti ehwo ne de metumi akase ebeye menteme ho ase kakra ewo jamafo no na afi nso no macho man ntem nti kwansi na obi na tade no no just so indicate say etuo bi ehye no ho nti we mistake there say obeto de afo macho man no mpempre ya meno gazo obi ehunu ba bi o so free why come so free why come no obi ehunu de eno an say onu omuhuru so nti kwansi ye tu ye na say omu nipa ne ba ko omu shi jaman nipa freedom no bi say kan ya wo ye de sika won nti won so na che say omo yes any sad you be pejano omo no and just because e ho na ben no omo ko sim so aban asa na je say emu ayɛ den ɛna nea ɔmo bɔ akyire ɛno anyim bɛyɛ sɛ nondu bere mu ɔmo de ne ba akɔnfo anɔkye a mpanyinfoɔ nso ɛbɔ ɔmɔden sɛ ɔmo bɛkɔ akɔyɛ official complaint ɛde ama ɛyɛ sofola ɛyɛ police command no na kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo adi akyire nti ɛno a sɛ wobisa mi a nea esi yɛ no sisi am no sɛ no yɛnya no nteɛ sɛ ɔnabo Kennedy Japan wɔse thank you to no a MPP foɔ kɔ no ebi ana wantumi ani akyire anaasɛ wantumi antoa so ne kyerɛ sɛ asɛm na esi ɛna ɛwɔ ɛyɛ Pentecost bantama no ɛna ama na tu saa na mo no nti a metete ne sɛ MPP fanyiko ne fa baabi akɔyɛ camp nti ɔmo susu sɛ bi a camp bi na akɔdi sɛ ewu no nanso ne nyinaa mu no yɛne di akyire no pɛ ne nim sɛ nɔkɔ kɔnfa ama kɔtɔ so afiri hɔ nti
okay
bisa me a ɛna ne esi
okay bawa me da wase asante na okasa
there for whatever, but what I know is that metro men there, most cases can only true crown. Homo do my home then I be new to you. And to me, they have the better part on my honorable contribution for much was that walker. And it was what did the party constitution see
concerning what?
Say a good thank you to her. Why necessary Okasa? Say a set flag bearer and a cassa. I was set Okasa. We going with the poster boy. Yemu Yankasa. Say I was a party chairman a cassa. Yema party chairman enkasa say party chairman enikwaso kasa general secretary kasa the constitution must be this morning perused and find out what because
what you should know is that there is nothing called thank you to in the MPP's constitution. What you are talking about is when the party is in opposition, who is the leader of the party?
And is the chairman.
When they go to elections, as per their constitution, that I know, when the party is in power, the president is the leader. When they go for elections and they elect a presidential candidate, the presidential candidate becomes the leader, leading them to elections. But when Omokoto Abani Wiena presidential candidate in Luswa, the powers of leadership reverts back to the national chairman. It is Amrewe. Say a MPP constitution one. In team should be the national chairman to be the MPP leader. It is a no successor thank you to her. It is the flag bearer no more than the core abano awodi chono. One no koko that party for nasi. Nobody, including even the general secretary and the national chairman, and also Kasa. The two Abama no na yan to Abama no. One no chira Kasa.
And ye sana party
and almost say flag bearer. No say for camaraderie and unity and oneness no. On pese be to say omokoto no. Na ne contestants no omo ye ni nyina akoba to say. So they wanted an innovation, a new thing to try and see. Senka, Kojon Safwa, Boakye Jako, Kennedy Yaw, Japan, Adeni Momu Nyinano, Emeka Omo Kona, Omo and showcase Ghana for say, Omo Yabako. But it has turned out now to become who has a support at the base. Eti Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Kono. Kennedy Kennedy Susuno on the contest or Tosumienu. People are massing their supporters with banners to come and stand there. Na yede demi it is a Drew Bawumia no be kasa. Na Bawumia Crawford yede. Drew Kennedy no be kasa. Drew obi omufi say obe kasa general secretary kasa obi anye sa de no. So it has become a contest now.
Well, then
I
think say the purpose has virtually been defeated as it stands now. But I party in the name, thank you to no.
So it's never too late for the party to reorganize.
Of course, sir. Because
now be them if he say baby o ma shase no so o mu jai there. I'm not for it.
Omanhene Yaw but there should be a communique.
All right.
As of now,
Mami tell you kakra na Abrante wa abisi echi o ka chese en sorry.
MPP thank you to.
MPP thank you.
Enti students omo ke university kunti omo kopɛ de ho. Say MPP thank you to say MPP na ebo dwa na omo edi omo dwuma na omada omo nkrofo ase e wo bantima friends aso dem ho no mo a kunti fo kopɛ de ho. Wo mo ko bo ase da.
Yeah, mami tell you.
Akuta kunti fo kopɛ de ho e fo omo ho. Ena womo sesa kuntifo de omo kogu ho a ye printed banners e de ma womo awiane nyina so dem ho no mo kinkire kunkro kosi se womo ebeduru ho no mo a womo ebeye de omba beye ye no akota hwan na sesa kuntifo no e de omo begu ho e create that scene no e wo ho no mo a akwakofa sade we
aba de omo sika no na de omo bye
it's on the also yes also obeto ye na omo si jama ye didi na enefe no mo bibi kakra se mo na momfa
bia mesika no nkwa na
se ne obende
e obi sika de o de mo
the fact of the matter they say
yes
omo mba ho no bana no na e gba omi abana David bana na ekuta on na dey Ken for 2028
yes
Contifo International School House or the somebody called them.
It means omoba with banner name as a group.
The buy without banner.
Yes.
Kabo say bia party no. And the so message man. Most of the time you want Contifo be omo ye kotokofo. Omo ye e be hasefo. E be ye obi to say bia. It is omo buy and say na ban and kuta omo. And omo kuta conti red no. You know say they came for the party.
We crowd akota we say no omo si buy ye organize omo ase da bo omo ho gira be che say. Obi na abo wo ma no de omo ba.
Some me di say
some me ye adwuma bi ma me. And in the end nipa na obo abo ma no de omo buy no. What say police for che no. Also police for chisa nipa no a oboabo ankwada no e de omo bae so mo say
na nipa no
there be no boni be no be akuta yes say boni aba
anti boni o ye ni say obi be ko mi mura no boni e
is part of investigation nipa no a okokofa omo di omo egu no yes
o my way nya e illegal we have bass
the oha bass boni o ye the oha bass utias ma no si ususu
meet
the oha bass ni machofo ne bae ono se o se ache no aso ya ka obi en kansi
yes metro be asante
macho ni na o bae no ye the bass ni e fa o mo koye out of sa bass no na sa macho ni no wokwo obi sikai enti o se sa bass no macho ni no
nipa no
e bi ana party ni bi ana Kennedy ni bi aba o me ni bi ne ma o ha o mo bae ye che bass no a ye bebu sase wa na be han bass obebo di pakrodi di pakro no crofo mo bae no obetima show out of it we can arrest the one who okwo was kind no say you can't leave it like that. Who did your was kind?
Yeah, they was kind cross minimum.
So investigation will be
these things about come
say yen chi di pakro na oni macho for the bae no.
Wait, not wake up.
The boys say when they see the guy now.
Identify car number cry.
Yes, the car's number.
It what is wrong with? They're finding out all these things.
It's just say. A good motive na call a crowd assembly. It becomes an investigation.
More becomes a friend say
a suspect.
A suspect.
They should deal with the issue. Obia will be sick. I'm telling you, we are not can I Janice.
Everyone who can a criminal. A criminal.
Yes. So we are calling for investigation.
A criminal.
Abrantiano. Continue the audio baho.
Yes.
They toss me your car bus and a match of phone. Car number 2 gunshots no etuono was a bit the more prayer
etuono is it registered
they know him
yes
as it stands now Ghana Police Service a free as the missing police area means more 12 there should be a formal statement
they will come out with a statement
who the chronology as to how the thing was
it will arm somebody next time wɔn de sika akɔtwitwa nkorɔfoɔ akɔtututu akunkum nipa na afei thank you to na mokɔ ase ne sɛ meme de thank you to yaw nanado pay nyinaa yɛdu regional chairman na host ɔsɔre no ayɛ introduction no introduce nanado kasa wi ayapaw
mo nyina mo nsɔre me se me enko
ɔno ne ɔkɔ abawa body ncho o das wi a flag bearer aspirant to one way and presidential prime minister.
Debbie.
I thank you to for the flag bearer now. Or them
national chairman presidential election.
From what I said, the meeting we say, presidential election. Baumia Timika said, "Me na me thank you to."
Party say because
that is going on. And I make I was okay. Say, me na me thank you.
Right from day one, the a group no more accusing national executives and say, almost feel say as a thank you to no more Baumia hair start. And almost say beya munkonya sa adwini bi say ye ma obi hair start no. And all the aspirants are contested for presidential ade no in NPP no. Mo mese mi enko. After ye kodru sunyanya obi akodi di atam am obi bu afu and what to bump atoto so down ne wan and ye ba kumase abon fo fi say ye me say ade na ade ni nyina nyingu na fe ye nya ade ne nkota na fe na ade ni nyingu omo ko western region akotomo ko western region ko western north no ehon na ba me akokeka ne nsem a amanfo ba hye no ena no kokodaye ena omo ba sunyan ena kere ne Japan so beto bomb ena ade na apaska ena omo ba kumase omo nyina ye armed ena yada group no fi said ye kako no eya kwatia yen ije ne yen organize bibina yen fanse ade no na fi ade no kra yenyan eno ne ehunu ne yi omuntimi nka but that is
the issue yekoba Orlando ayekado ye the tip of tumade Abraham yekoba o ma se no omo ade
no
abuja for yekoba
ye beda Omanhene Yaw Boakye ase papa one ne morning show team no